Hi, my friends. How are you? This is my diary today. This morning I was in Dazhi visiting Alex. It is quite a pleasant road trip. I drove along the elevated freeway and accompanied by the clear sky. Now, after arrival, Alex, Regina, and I had an efficient meeting. Then I set foot on this relatively spacious city of Dazhi once again. Alex dropped me off at an intersection and pointed me a number of good restaurants in the neighboring street. I roamed with slow pace like a first visited tourist, reading all the signs in front of each shop. I got Western style brunch, I got traditional Taiwanese food. My final pick, and I stopped, was the Liang Mian, which I'm reluctant to translate it into another name, but I like to add especially with an adjective, is 好吃的凉面. I shouldn't taken a good picture for you, but of course, it's about lunch break today. We all heard about the breaking news. My thoughts was flushed with the mishaps of the death of the celebrity of entertainment, Wang Hongsheng, Xiao Gui, right? Man, that's a total shock to me. When I was just trying to position my cell phone screen in front of my just right plate of Liang Mian. I know Xiao Gui more from the movies, especially the one which depicts the Taiwanese gangster story. It was so nature in the movie. His young, arrogant, or an unwillingness to succumb kind of attitude. Now the mixed emotions and the Liang Mian took me some time to digest. The lingered thoughts remained that I had to swallow a cup of coffee to regain my working energy. Then there's a sudden rain in the afternoon, like the disappeared young life suddenly gone. The sky clears, then I went home. My friend, life is transient. We should all seize every moment we have and share the love with the ones you love. Good night, everyone, and this is my diary. Bye bye.